Hey guys, Forrest Spinner back here. Saying my final goodbyes to the Jeep. It's a great vehicle while it lasted. Just gonna be closing its final doors. Finally closing its doors. Be giving it back to the dealership sometime this week. So let's get a look at the steering wheel. Yep. Here's that last sound you'll be hearing for a while. Forever, probably. Unless you have the same vehicle. Oh, the classic times, the good memories. We'd stop at a light, my gran would get pissed off because the Jeep would shut off. And she didn't know that he had to just press that right there to turn that auto shit off. Yep, and the hard accelerations. The time we got stuck on the hill up in Maine in this thing. And the four-wheel drive wasn't kicking in. That was funny. It's just the front wheels were spinning. But he's made at the... Well, it doesn't say Daimler Chrysler, but I imagine it's made there, because that's where the old Jeep was made. This is no longer our vehicle. This is the dealership's vehicle. So... I rode back here very rarely. The first time I rode in this Jeep, I was sitting right in this seat. Sitting right here, we're heading to Cracker Barrel. That was closed, so we made at Olive Garden instead. This is 2017. There's a trunk. This fancy little thing. Little cup holders and phone holder. Pretty cool vehicle. I'd like to give a special thank you to Best Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram of Plymouth. This is the best dealership. This is where the Jeep was leased from. Please go check them out. Go buy a vehicle, lease a vehicle from them. And I promise you good service. Like a camera. Spare tire we never had to use, actually. This is just dog hair. Never used that before. Little lights. These ones weren't the... They weren't the auto off ones, but... Some little vents and shit in here. Alright guys. Get a good shot there. It's probably the last time I'll be in this Jeep, so see you later. See the cool little icon there? There's a truck. Alright, closing the door for the last time. Let's lock it up.